Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One in my old barn door, and I am excited to bring you the Heirloom Farm Folk journal kits that accompany the heirloom journal that I just released in my Etsy shop. So these are kits that have some similar items that are in that journal, and I thought I would offer some kits in case you want to make a journal of your own in this style. So it kind of has a mixture of farming stuff, farm style stuff, the folk art stuff. So I have 15 of these, and they weigh less than a pound, so they'll be able to ship for a very inexpensive price for you. And so without further ado, let's just go through one. Now they're going to come in these little sleeves. That's how you'll receive your package. And let's just take a peek and see what's inside. All right, so I made the pockets out of cardstock paper, the craft cardstock. And when you empty out your pocket, you can use it in a journal, and you can either cut it in half and use it in a journal. Just stitch the, wherever you cut it, just stitch that side or whatever. Or you can use it as a whole like it is. And I'll show you that in just a minute once I empty the pockets. All right, so in the pockets, you have all kinds of goodness. I spent days making these paper clips. So these are some of the paper clips that we made on camera together on one of my previous videos. And then I made a whole bunch more. So you're going to get this size one. You're going to get this size one. And you're going to get this size one. And then, goodness, I've got something in my fingernails. Hang on a second. Okay, much better. Sorry about that. I've been playing with ink, so your hands get good and dirty when you play with the ink. And then you're going to get this one, this size one. Now, of course, they're all different. They're not all the same. They're all completely different because, I'll show you. We'll just pull this one out. See, so these are the ones in this kit. And then this one. So they're all different, but you get the gist of it. So you're going to get 4 of the altered paper clips. I'm going to set those to the side. And then you're going to get some of these vintage Ono playing cards. Every kit has one of these in it. And then you're going to get a different kind of playing card to do some altering. And I'm going to do some videos showing you some different ways to use these, because I have a huge box of vintage playing cards. I absolutely am addicted to vintage playing cards. So I'm going to do some videos and show you some different ways that you can use them. And then I found these are very vintage, and you can either cut out the words and use the words, or you can use the card and alter it. So I think there's 3 of those in here. Then you're going to get some journaling scripture cards that I've created. They'll be coming with my my new digital farm kit that I'm working on. And so there's 6 of the scripture cards in there. Okay, so you get that one. Then you're going to get a little tag. And these kits are meant for you to be able to, at first I was like, maybe I should ink everything and blah, 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 but that's for you to do. That's what the kit is for you to get it and to be able to play with it. So it was hard for me to contain myself and not do all of those things, but I saved it for you to have all the fun with it. So you get a tag, you get a bunch of tags. Okay, and then you're going to get several of these tags that are, they have the folk art imagery on them. Super cute little tags. And then you have this one. You can use it as a pocket, or like a page tab or whatever. And then you're going to get 2 of my scrappy collage pockets. So I've cut these. They are 5 by 4 1/4, I think. So you'll get 2 of these in each kit. The other one's in this pocket, so I'll get to it in just a minute. Another one of the tags with the folk art images on them. Then these are just strips that you can use on the edges of pages. This will come in my digital kit as well, but I thought I would add one in to the journal kit. And so you see you have 2 pockets in this folder, or not a folder, it's just like a pocket pack. So you have the 2 pockets, so you can cut it in the middle and use it as 2 pockets. You can fold it and put it in a journal that way and use it as 2 pockets, or you can fold this here, like if you turn it over and you fold it back this way, and then you can attach it into a journal and have 2 pockets that way. All right, so in the top pocket you're gonna get there's the second collage pocket that you're gonna get. Then you're gonna get a I don't think these are super vintage playing cards, but you can get a card for altering. There's the other one of those words cards, one in black and one in red. This is another one of those strips, and it will come in the new digital kit as well. And so you can just put them on the edge of the pages. You can cut them and make page tabs out of them. Lots of different things you can do with these. Here's another one of the scripture cards. You're going to get a collage page, one of the collage booklets. So this one has, and each of them have different types of pages in them. Some of them are the sprayed pages, the mixed media pages, but you'll get one of these books in the kit. Here are the other 3 scripture journal cards. And there's the last one. So you get all of those. You're going to get the little cow tag, which I love. The cow's in the barn, and this is in the folk art style. You're going to get another one of the folk art tags. You're going to get a vintage flashcard. I don't know if you can tell how yellow it is on camera, but another one of the folk art tags. And another. I love this one. I think this one's super cute. That's one of my favorites. Then you're going to get a vintage ledger page, and it's a double page. So you're going to get a double page in your kit. That's from a vintage Holly Hobby ledger cash book, or cash book ledger, however you say that. And then you're going to get, most kits only have 2 strips of the scrappy strips with the lace and different things stitched on. So these are stitched, but this one has 3 because some of them were really tall and they wouldn't fit in the envelope. So if they were tall and wouldn't fit in the envelope, then I just cut them and gave you some extras. Now these strips, you can cut these strips and use them in whatever way you want to use them, or you can put them on the side of a page. Like they could go on the side of a journal page like this. You can cut them and make them, you know, a topper. Like if you would cut it right there, you can make that a topper. You can actually make a belly band out of them. Either way, you can make a pocket out of them, or a little tuck. Lots of different things that you can use these for. You can also make a little page tab out of them if you want to. So you can cut them up and use them in whatever way that you want. But like I say, there's usually on most of the pockets, or most of the kits only have 2. But if they were too long to go into the envelope, then I trimmed it up for you. Okay, so that is all of the goodness included in the kit. And then you're going to get some surprises that come along with it, but I'm not going to tell you what they are. So you're going to get an extra goodie pack in the kit, and you're going to love it. You're going to want it, I promise you. So that is that kit, and I'll go through and kind of show you, like these are the scrap strips in this one, and it's a little bit longer, but it was able to fit in the envelope like that, so I left it that way. But yeah, so these are the Heirloom Farm Folk journal kits, and again, they will come in the little envelope sleeve like this. So, and again, they weigh less than a pound, so it'll be a good price on your shipping for you. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment box below. When you see this video released, these kits will be in the shop. I'll have all the details as to how many pieces, you know, and what all's in the kits in the listing, so you'll have all of the information if you feel like you missed something on the video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you will, please like and subscribe the video for me, and I love y'all real big. Big hugs.